Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. This is an absolute cute little box that I'm going to share with you today. And I believe that it would be big enough to put a cookie in. Don't you think? This is crumb cake, and it is sized at 10 3/4 by 7 3/4. On the long side, I'm going to score at 1 1/4, at 5, 6 1/4, and 10. I'm going to flip it around, scoring at 3/4 of an inch, 2, 5 3/4, and 7. I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. So you should have a thicker and a thinner rectangle here. So I'm going to start on the thicker one, and basically we just want to cut up to the second score line here and then cut this bit off. Okay, and we'll go up to the middle score line here. Wedge in, cut, wedge in, and cut that one off. Right, I'm going to cut this whole section off and wedge here. So wedge here and cut the whole section off. Okay, so that is what you should have. So I'm putting adhesive close to the score line on those tabs. And what I'm going to do is on this piece, or on the little bits here, I'm going to, just on the very outside, I'll show you how this is going to work. So I'm going to fold this guy in, and just using my desk to make sure that everything is square. So these bits that have a little bit of adhesive on them are going to be folded directly right in. And then just with my bone folder, I'm going to fold and crease those edges down really nicely. And folding my box. So this is a piece of Whisper White that I sponged with Bumblebee, and then around the edges I sponged with cinnamon cider, and at the very edge I used a dauber, kind of just very, very lightly. You can see just around the edge there. Sahara sand. Memento Tuxedo Black ink. With the word cookies on it, and that is from the stamp set Nothing's Better Than. And I'm going to adhere, this is a 3.5 by 3.5, and then I'm going to adhere it to a Whisper White piece that is 3.25 by 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5/8. Sorry. And that's just a matte. I just thought it looked a little bit better. And I'm going to use some dimensional adhesive. The images of the cookies are right here. I stamped in soft suede, and then I used Sahara sand just around for this piece here. And I felt that it was, I don't know, it's kind of a cute little way of giving somebody some cookies. And of course I put Wink of Stella on them. And there you go. Such a cute little box. Big enough for cookies. Anyway, thanks so much for hanging with me today, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.